How to verify your Epic Games account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can verify your Epic Games account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Verifying your Epic Games account means verifying your email address, and to do this, first of all, just open your browser, go to epicgames.com and then sign into your account. Once you're signed into the account, you're going to see this type of interface where you just need to tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side. Once you tap the three lines icon, under it you'll be able to find your profile name, so you just want to make sure to tap your profile icon name over here. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see all this option where you just have to look for this option called account and then just tap on the account option here. Once you just tap the account option, you're going to be taken to this page. So let me just go ahead and tap on the account option again if it doesn't work, because you might have mistakenly tapped somewhere else. And now that you tap on the account option, you're going to be taken to this page as you can find here. And then here you can see we have account information, and you can see my email address, which in my case is already verified. But if you've not verified, you can just tap the edit button right next to it, enter the new email address you want to use, tap on the continue button. It will send a verification code to your email, which you can then use to verify, and then your Epic Games account will also get successfully verified. This way you can verify your Epic Games account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.